Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the TarmacWorks VERTEX Nissan Silvia S14. And this is a event exclusive and also a special edition made for the event located in Indonesia, which is the IMX 2024, which was the Indonesia Modification Expo, if you don't know. And this is the event car for that, basically the whole event. And this is specially made in this livery, which is actually a famous, I'm not sure, TV show or something. It's called Hi Dudu. And people in Indonesia, I think they mostly know this like character or branding because I believe people from Indonesia would know it more because I believe it's more famous there. Like for us here, people in Malaysia, we've never actually heard much about Hi Dudu, but I believe it should be like a popular character or something there in Indonesia, which is cool. And it's a collaboration between Tarmac, VERTEX, and also the Hi Dudu series. We have the front of the box here. We have yellow on the top. Yellow on the top, orange on the bottom. TarmacWorks VERTEX. We have the side of the car right there, which says Hi Dudu. VERTEX Nissan Silvia S14 Hi Dudu Special Edition. There is the other side of the car, Global 64. Over on this side, you can see the car right there with its full side view right there. Orange, yellow, a bit of some dots. Global 64, very nice. Over on the top of the box, we have VERTEX right there. Bottom, it says TarmacWorks. We have the logo. And of course, moving towards the back, TarmacWorks VERTEX, Tarmac for good. There's the car, small size, big heart. Licensed by Nissan, VERTEX Nissan Silvia S14 Hi Dudu, made in China. There's your barcode, and there are your TarmacWorks socials. Now, this was available in a limited quantity over at two events, not just the Indonesia Modification Expo. In fact, it is also available at the Indonesia Diecast Expo as well. Now you might be thinking, where did I get this? Like, there are two ways. One would be for you to go to the IMX. There's actually three ways. Either you go to the IMX and buy in a package with some other goodies, or you go to the IDE event and get it with another car that I actually have with me already, but I haven't reviewed yet so far. This is actually the Hello Kitty IDE exclusive Silvia S15, which is an Indonesia Diecast Expo exclusive. I'm going to be reviewing this with the Indonesia Diecast exclusive Silvia, which is also a Hello Kitty, just that with different rims. I'm going to show that in another video. Now, where did I get this if not from the IDE or event? Another way you can actually get it from the TarmacWorks website, only if you're fast enough and able to get your hands. Basically, you get to order it in time, but if not, it would end up being sold out. Now, where did I get this? I basically got it from a friend from Indonesia. He is actually the the owner of the store Toy Maniacs ID. If you don't know, I actually have done a review of their car previously, which would be the red colored Silvia S15, which was from the opening of their shop. That is actually an event exclusive as well, exclusive to Indonesia. But then I got that from buying it from Two Monster Shop. And then this one would be I managed to get this as well as the Hello Kitty from the like I said the person from Indonesia, which is the owner of ToysReview. Thanks so much for bringing it over to Malaysia so that I can add it to my collection and of course review it today. So without further ado, let's actually crack the box and let's see our IMX 2024 High Dudu model right here, which is yellow, white and orange themed. And yeah, this is the IMX model, basically exclusive to Indonesia only. And yeah, if you're lucky enough, you could actually get it from the tarmacworks website if you are able to get it. If not, then yeah, your only chances were the IDE or IMX event. Of course, I got from the IDE. Basically, he managed to lock one pair, which is the Dudu S14 plus the Hello Kitty S15, which was quite a great deal, I would say. And for two cars, yeah, it's not bad. I forgot how many Indonesian rupiahs it was, but I cannot really recall. But then if you want to buy it from the IDE version, there were a few ways, I believe. There's like two options. One, you would want to get the car itself alone, or two, you would get it with like several like extra accessories. I think, I'm not entirely sure. Not accessories for the car, but like extra items. I'm not entirely sure what they are about. So this car, yeah, we've seen S14s a lot from tarmacworks. We got it in a matte black, which is one of the I think the second tarmacworks car that I've ever reviewed on this channel. It was the matte black Nissan Silvia S14 that was in matte black. And then I believe I haven't reviewed an S14 since. Not sure. But there are a lot of other colors for this car as well, not just this Dudu yellow and orange color. But still, I like the paint job and color on this. Reminds me of sort of like a anime style, animated character comic style, if you ask me. It reminds me a bit of some comic style vibes to it. So let's take a close look at our Dudu car right here. So yeah, you can clearly tell it's more to like a comic based sort of design. Start off from the back right here, we do have our rims, which are having the chrome silver barrel and six spoke blacked out rims, inner barrels and whatnot. Basically rubber tires. You have the Dudu character all over the car. It even says Dudu right there towards the door and also the rear window, which is nice. You have some orange dots here and there. You have a lot of yellow here and there as well. Overall, very nice looking side view right here, side profile. You can see that there are a lot of like different impressions of the Dudu character, I would say. You have your side mirror, which is yellow, I believe plastic, yeah. Plastic side mirror, yellow color. Very cool. Moving towards the front, you do have your lensed plastic headlights right here, which are very nice. Some circular orange dots here and there. And then you have the rear part of the front bumper, which is colored in orange, so like the front splitter. You have an exposed intercooler right here, colored in sort of like a silver color, which is nice. You have the front grille as well. Over on the hood, so it's interesting, it actually says haha he with a big exclamation right there.
You have some more high Dudu character impressions right there. Impressions. You have your VERTEX windshield banner right here. You have your regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, right hand drive. You have blacked out seats, blacked out dashboard. Over on the roof, pretty cute as well. You do still have the high Dudu sort of like design right there. Half orange, half yellow, and a bit of some orange, which is cool. Over on this side, pretty much the same, not much of a difference. Still looks pretty nice. Over on the back, you do have your rear window, which is yeah, not so tinted anyways. It does have the IMX logo right there, which is nice, and basically that's it. You do have some more high Dudu right there, character, I don't know what's it actually called. You do not have a rear spoiler, nor rear lip, or rear wing, or anything. You do have your red colored rear lights, brake lights, and I believe your indicators. You have some more orange circular like round stickers or design right there. It says High Dudu on the right. It's having an Infia license plate right there, blacked out license plate. The exhaust tip is over on the left side, colored in sort of like a liquid silver color, which is nice. And then over towards the base, blacked out matte black base. TarmacWorks 164 VERTEX S14 Silvia, made in China. Very nice. Overall, quite an interesting looking model made by TarmacWorks. Interesting model and interesting collaboration, but I think the high Dudu collaboration isn't as popular as Hello Kitty's collaboration, I would say. As in a few other videos, maybe I will be doing a review of the VERTEX Nissan Silvia S14 in the Hello Kitty livery, which is actually the IDE and also the regular Indonesia exclusive model. We'll see about that. And yeah, overall the high Dudu model is pretty nice, I would say, in my opinion. And yeah, I really do like it. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the high Dudu IMX 2024 high Dudu VERTEX Nissan Silvia S14 model made by TarmacWorks. What a great, nice one right here, made by them. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.